Hey team, how you doing? Gavyn and Gavyn here from Gavyn Here I team. And apologies for the last couple of days, there's been no lives, but like I said, we've been flat out busy, so they've been pre-recorded. So today we're back with a live video. Day 9 lockdown. I hope you guys are doing okay. And like I said, through all the videos, if you could just tag a friend, share the post, comment down below. It helps this video get out further. Facebook likes engagement, okay? So the more the video you watch, the more you engage with it, like it, comment, share it, the better and the more people this will reach, okay? So today is day 9. Hope you're all doing okay. And we've got something called the Dirty Dozen. The Dirty Dozen.
Wait, where's that?
Oh, it's just there. So the Dirty Dozen just simply means 12 exercises for 12 reps. Now, if you're a super fit person, you can actually go through it twice, okay? But we're just going to do it once today. All you're going to need is a chair and a set of dumbbells or some cans, just to give you some weights for 2 of the exercises.
Your chair's going to be your best friend again.
The chair's going to be your best friend again. So we're going to go through, I'll do this workout with you today, okay? So we've got squats. Like I said, I give you a variation of every single exercise as always. Squats, push-ups, side lunges, mummy runs, pincers, high knees, reverse flies, butt kicks, dips, jumping jacks, side-to-side hops, in and out. So before we get started, what we're going to do is we're just going to quickly jog on the spot just 12 times. The whole thing is 12. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And just gentle star jumps, okay? 1, and if you can't do star jumps, just step out to the side, okay? 1, 2, 3. This is a warm-up, don't forget. 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So, arm circles forward. 12. 1, 2, 3. Do what you can. 4. If your shoulders are achy, just go the range of motion. Even if it's little ones like this, better than big massive ones, just get the shoulders moving forward. 8, I think that's 9, 10, 11, 12. And back the other way. Should start feeling a tiny bit of a burn in the shoulders. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, oops, 10, you right? And 12. Alright, cool. So next thing we're going to do, you grab your chair and turn it around the other way. And we're going to get these leg swings going. Really important to do these leg swings. Really important to get these dynamic stretches in. 4, 5, 6, 7, guess 8, 9, 10, and swap sides. 1, 2, and if you're somebody that can do this without holding on, good on you, because I can't. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and we're going to go this way now, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 7, 8, 9,
I have done the arm ones because I was just getting the chair.
12. That's right. Cool. First exercise, okay? We'll do it all together. We take as minimal rest as we possibly can. So ideally, you're going to go 1, then 2, then 3, all the way through 12. Short-ish workout, but take rest if you need it, okay? If you need to take a 30-second rest in between some of these exercises, just take it's absolutely fine. But we're just going to go through the whole lot.
Yeah.
And I'll spend a little bit of time in between each exercise explaining the next one. Should give you a bit of rest in between. So.
And if you want a longer one than we're doing, just pause the video.
You can pause the video or watch it twice.
Yeah.
First one is going to be squats, okay? So if you're somebody comfortable with squats, what you're going to do, you're going to come down, take your hips back, and you're going to come down, get those legs power to the floor, and come back up. That's 1 rep, okay? If you're somebody that can't do squats just yet, then you can sit in the chair, arms across the front of your body, and just sit down, or stand up and sit down 12 times. If you're super fit though, and you think that you can add a little bit more juice to this workout, you can come down and jump as we go, alright? Pick a version that suits you, and we get done. I'm going to go with the normal squat. Don't jump on a box though. You hurt yourself. Anyway, you ready? 12 reps, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
13.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay,
I
now
did 21 squats. I did 8 of the normal ones, and then you said the jump ones.
That's pretty
and then
impressive.
I did 20 of the jump ones.
So next exercise is a push-up. Lots of variations. Okay, you could go up to a wall and press up off the wall.
You could do like in the other part, in the other like 3 videos on the chair.
That's right, on the chair. So you can use the back of the chair and do a push-up that way if you want to, or you can turn the chair around this way and it gives you a little bit lower that way. Or the other version you've got is the full version on the floor.
Yeah.
Or you can put your knees down on that way. So depending on which version suits you, give it a go, do the best you can. 12. And we're off to 12, alright? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, good job. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good stuff. Okay, next one, side lunge, okay? Take a rest, grab some water if you need it. Side lunge, a couple of versions. You can come out to the side and squat down, okay? You feel a bit of a stretch with the lower leg, come back up. We're going to do 6, 6 per side. If that version is too hard, just take a step out to the side. Alright, 6 and then 6 the other way. These are only 2 variations. You can use your chair. If your balance isn't super great, have the chair in front of you and you're going to step out to the side. Okay? And that's going to be your 3 versions. So when you're ready, we're going to do 12 side lunges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Down 6 from each.
6, good job. 7, 8, 9, ooh, 10, and too many. 11, ooh, should have done 6, 12, okay? 12 each side if you want, we're carried away. 1, 2, 3,
Yeah,
4,
just do 6 on this one, probably.
5, I'll match them up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11,
Bar.
12. Alright, cool. So hopefully you got through those, didn't mess up like me. Next one's mummy runs, okay? It's a bit of a cardio exercise now. So while you're transitioning, arms in front of your body, one foot comes out, and you're going to skip them over, okay? 2, 3, 4. If that's too hard, and you're unco, like the rest of the world, you can just march out in front. Okay? But if you can do the other version, do it. Each time you lift a leg is 1 rep, okay? So, ready? No pressure, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good stuff.
I got carried away and did 20.
Good job. Alright. So, hopefully you guys can hear me.
That one's easy.
Next one, pincers. Okay, so you grab your dumbbells. What dumbbells you getting? Buddy? 2 or 4? Alright. So like I said, these can be soup tins or small dumbbells, whatever you want to do. And ultimately what you're going to do, you're going to hold it up at the top and come out to the side. 1, 2. Alright? If that's too hard though, and you can't use the dumbbells, use your hands only, and you still feel a bit of a burn in the shoulders, alright?
I'm going to switch the dumbbells to 1.
Alright.
So it's hard.
Smart. Okay, ready? I'm going to go. 1, 2, slow and controlled. 3, 4, 5. From the side, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you find, even with light dumbbells, 1 more, I think that's 12. You'll feel
Yeah,
quite
like 1 kg. It's really heavy.
pretty challenging, isn't it?
Yes.
Alright. Next we go is high knees, okay? So we're going to go back into a bit of a cardio now. And again, each time you lift one leg is 1 rep, okay? If you can't do the full version, you're just going to march on the spot, alright? So I'm going to go, this is a high knee. 1, 2, 3. If you can't do that, just lift up. 1.
That was one of the morning exercises in holiday program.
Oh, there you go. Look at that. Brilliant. Okay, so when you're ready, exercise number 6, halfway through. High knees. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good stuff. Okay.
I bit my lip.
Oopsie. So next, we're going to grab those soup cans again. I'm going to work on this posture. I'm really big on posture. I think it's really important. We don't strengthen these muscles up enough. So you grab yourself your chair.
Reverse fly. I remember.
Look at that. All right.
It was something like this.
Yeah. So from the side, what you're going to do, you're going to lean forward with your body weight. So what we're going to do is lean your body forward. Don't round your back, okay? With your soup tins, your dumbbells, and lean forward, you should come up the side. 1. Nice and controlled. 2. If you haven't got soup cans or tins, do it with just your arms. When you come up, really try and squeeze those shoulder blades together. As if, so if suddenly you had a finger between your shoulder blades, try to squash your finger. When you're ready, go for 12. Lean forward this way. And go 1, 2, 3.
I can have a rest now.
4. You can. 5, 6.
And usually
7. So don't rush through these exercises. Make them nice and slow.
Usually we do like 5 or 10.
10. That's right.
We usually say do it at least like
12.
5 or 6, but we usually do like 10.
That's right. So today's a dirty dozen, so it's 12 exercises, 12 reps, all right? Now we got butt kicks, okay? So when you're doing high knees, kind of work on the hip flexors of the legs. Now we're going to kind of work on the hamstrings a little bit, okay? So a couple of versions again. Obviously, as each time one foot comes up, that's like, or left and right, 1 rep. So it'll be 1, 2. If you can't do that version, just lift your legs up and try and get your heels to your butt, essentially. If you, again, need a little bit of balance, you can use the chair to do it, or you can use the chair just to kick them back, alright? Whatever version you want to do. So, I'm going to go full version, right? I'm going to go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
We finished at the same time.
We did. So next I'm going to put these dumbbells on the way a little bit, and the next one we're going to do is dips, okay? So dips can be a bit challenging. I'm going to do it from the side, and if it is too hard for you, I'll give you another version as always. So you're going to grab what I want to do is grab the side of your chair. Don't grab this way, it hurts your wrists. Take your hands back and hold them at the bottom. You're going to take your bum just off the chair, and you take it down as far as comfortable, and then come back up and out. So down, up and out. So what I'm not doing is in there with my shoulders too far behind my body. When I come up, I want the shoulders to be kind of aligned with my body. That's the best way to describe it. So if you can't do this version, you can do it on the floor instead. Alright? And you come down this way, and all you're going to do, turn your hands out that way, and you're just going to, well actually you can't do this, but you have to put your hands flat on the floor, and rock back and push forward. Rock back and come forward. When you come up, straighten the elbows as straight as you possibly can, and you feel those tricep muscles start to work. Alright? So I'm going to go full version for this one, and we're going to go for it. Ready? Okay, down. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You really just have to put
5.
your arms straight.
6, that's right, keep them straight to the top. 7. Very effective exercise. 9.
And
10.
it's also
11.
this is a shoulder exercise.
12. It's a tricep exercise.
Yeah.
It's
Because
good.
it's under your shoulder and I felt it like under my shoulder.
That's right, that's exactly what you're going to feel it. Next exercise, guys, is jumping jacks, okay? Again, a couple of versions, 3 versions I'll give you. First one is a There's a kind of a low impact version.
Is that the hard?
Yeah. So you count each one as 1 rep. 1 and 2. If you're on the harder version, 1, 2. If you're on the super hard version, power jacks. Okay, come down. 1, 2. I'll do the middle version, alright? You ready? 12. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright. Next one we got is, I'm going to carry on with the cardio for the next exercise, is side to side hop. So we want to get those calves working, heart working, all those things. So draw an imaginary line down in the front of the carpet or wherever you're doing the workout, and you're going to jump over the line. So again, 1, 2, alright? If that's too hard, obviously, just skip to the side, okay? Either way. But I can go full version. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10,
I did 20.
12, just to show it off.
No, I think I overdid it.
Overdid it. Okay, next one's doing in and out, okay? Grab your chair this time. And a couple of versions. If you're super strong, you can, if you're a beginner, you're going to lean back into the chair. You're just going to lift up your legs off the floor.
This is how we did in and out from the other video.
I know, lots of different versions. If you're a little bit stronger,
like me.
Yeah, you can come in this way. 1, 2.
Yeah.
Don't fall off the chair. That's the key, alright? So when like I said, you can hold the back of the chair if you want to keep yourself on the chair. Ready? 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
12.
10, 11,
It's easy.
12.
From the others.
12. Okay guys, so that's your Dirty Dozen workout. If you find it a little bit too easy, okay, like I said, we catering for people over 45 who maybe aren't as fit as the rest of us, okay?
Like in and out, basic.
Yeah. You can do different things. You can speed up everything, okay? Faster squats, faster side lunges, faster mummy runs. You can do it twice through. You can do 20 reps of each if you want, okay? It doesn't matter how you do it. The idea is get yourself, make it challenging for yourself and whatever you want to do, okay? So that's it for me guys. Like as always, we love you guys to comment below and share this video, because the more people that engage with this video, the more people get to see it, okay? So do us a favour, like it, share it, tag a friend. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, and we will see you back here tomorrow with lockdown day 10 with something else. See you guys, take care.
I think
Bye.
everyone that commented is watching, because everyone I could see on there said is watching.